Are you ready to transform your fitness routine without any equipment? Imagine having the freedom to get a powerful full-body workout wherever you are, whether it's your living room, a park, or even a hotel room while traveling. This routine is designed to be quick, effective, and suitable for all fitness levels. In just 8 minutes, we'll target your strength, endurance, and flexibility, giving your entire body the boost it needs. The best part, no equipment is required, just your body and a willingness to push yourself. And let's dive in together. Exercise 1. Jump squats. Duration: 40 seconds. Rest: 20 seconds. Jump squats are excellent for building lower body strength and boosting cardiovascular endurance. How to perform: stand with feet slightly wider than hip width apart. Lower into a squat, keeping your chest up and knees behind your toes. Explode upward, jumping as high as you can. Land softly, bending your knees to absorb the impact. Tips for beginners: if jumping is too challenging, perform regular bodyweight squats. Advanced option: add a 180-degree turn during the jump for an extra challenge. Exercise 2. Push-up shoulder taps. Duration: 40 seconds. Rest: 20 seconds. This move strengthens your chest, shoulders, and core while improving balance. How to perform: start in a high plank position, keeping your body in a straight line. Lower your chest toward the ground in a push-up motion, then press back up. At the top, lift your right hand to tap your left shoulder. Repeat on the other side, alternating shoulder taps. Modification for beginners: perform the push-up on your knees or skip the push-up entirely and focus on the taps. Pro tip: engage your core to keep your hips stable. Exercise 3. Mountain climbers. Duration: 40 seconds. Rest: 20 seconds. Mountain climbers provide a full-body workout with a focus on your core and cardio. How to perform: begin in a plank position with your wrists under your shoulders. Drive your right knee toward your chest, then quickly switch legs. Maintain a steady pace, ensuring your back stays straight. Beginner modification: slow down the pace and step your feet forward instead of jumping. Advanced option: increase speed or add a twist by bringing your knees to the opposite elbow. Exercise 4. Glute bridge march. Duration: 40 seconds. Rest: 20 seconds. This exercise activates your glutes and strengthens your lower back. How to perform: lie flat on your back with your knees bent and feet hip-width apart. Push through your heels to lift your hips toward the ceiling. While holding the bridge position, lift your right foot off the ground, keeping your knee bent. Lower your foot and repeat on the left side. Tips: don't let your hips drop when lifting your leg. Squeeze your glutes at the top for maximum benefit. Exercise 5. Plank to downward dog. Duration: 40 seconds. Rest: 20 seconds. This move builds upper body strength while providing a great stretch. How to perform: start in a high plank position. Push your hips up and back into a downward dog pose. Hold briefly, then return to the plank position. Beginner modification: Hold each position for longer if transitioning is challenging. Advanced option. Add a push-up when returning to the plank position. Exercise 6. Side lunges. Duration: 40 seconds. Rest: 20 seconds. Side lunges improve lateral strength and flexibility. How to perform: stand tall with feet together. Step your right foot wide, bending your right knee while keeping your left leg straight. Push through your right foot to return to standing, then repeat on the other side. Tips: keep your chest upright and avoid leaning forward. Engage your core to maintain balance. Exercise 7. Burpees. Duration: 40 seconds. Rest: 20 seconds. Burpees are the ultimate full-body move to finish strong. How to perform: start standing, then drop into a squat position. Place your hands on the ground and kick your feet back into a plank. Perform a push-up, optional, then jump your feet back to your hands. Stand up and jump explosively. Tips: modify by stepping back instead of jumping. Maintain good form even as you get tired. Child's pose, 20 seconds. Sit back on your heels, stretch your arms forward, and let your forehead rest on the ground. Cat-cow stretch, 20 seconds. Alternate between arching your back upward and dipping it downward while on all fours. Standing forward fold, 20 seconds. Stand tall, then hinge at the hips to reach for your toes. Let your upper body hang freely. Pro tip: breathe deeply during each stretch to maximize relaxation. That's it for today's full body workout. You've absolutely crushed it. Amazing job sticking through every exercise and giving it your all. This routine is perfect for staying active, building strength, and improving endurance, no matter where life takes you. Remember, consistency is key, so keep coming back to this workout to challenge yourself and track your progress. If you enjoyed this session, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends who might need a quick fitness boost, and hit that subscribe button to stay updated on more follow-along workouts like this. Stay strong, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next session.